What you can do on this machine is you've got this shortcut menu, and it's really useful. So what you effectively do is you just you go to a screen, and then you can tell it that you want to keep that screen. So if, for example, you went to that screen, the alarm screen, what you do is you press your menu button and it says register this screen, and you press enter, and then you can either have it on button 1 or button 2. You press enter for button 1, and then you come down here. These are the ones I've already set, and you put it on there and you press enter, and that's now set that as one of those screens. So when you press 1 now, any of these that you want to get to, like I've set that one up for modal information, it takes me straight there. But the good thing about it is you can just do it by number. So like that G code list and the M code list, I put them straight on there. So you press 7, you get your G code list, and you press 8, you get your M code list. Okay? So you can set them up to anything you want. You just merely go there and press register, and it registers that screen. So it's a really useful thing. It's up to you what screens you actually want and what you want to set on it.